Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to use the factory remote starter. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Okay, now to use the remote starter, as it says here on the fob, you're supposed to press this upper button twice and that should start the vehicle, but that will not actually happen. You press it twice and nothing happens. Now there is a small trick to it. First you have to press the lock button once and then the remote starter twice. So lock, and now double click on this button and that will start the vehicle. And now if you want to turn it off, just press this button twice and that will shut off the engine. And yeah, that's how you use a Ford remote starter. Okay, thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.